So guys, let's go to the official website of VFS Global. So once you visit the official website under COVID-19 advisories, you can see that latest update which was posted today, 17 June. Canada Visa Application Centers in India resume student visa services. From 21st June, that is from Monday, Canada Visa Application Centers in India will resume accepting biometric enrollment for student visa appointments only. So this will be specifically only to student visa applications. The web form to book an appointment is available now. So this is the link through which you can book your appointment. Appointments have been allotted on first come first serve basis, with priorities being given to the customers who had applied pre-lockdown. So this is students who have applied before 3rd May will be given the first priority. So this is like a very good news for students who are waiting for the biometrics to be done. So now let's be hopeful that we get to hear such good news on medical and visa stamping process as well. Moving to our second most important update. This is related to students who had taken up their courses and because of COVID-19 they were not able to fly to Canada. So here we are in the official website of IRCC. So if you'll scroll down, there is a latest update on PGW program. Given the unprecedented impact of COVID-19 on international students, a temporary change has been made to PGW program. Eligibility requirements for the following groups of students enrolled in PGW eligible programs in progress in March 2020, students who began or will begin PGW eligible programs between spring 2020 and fall 2021. To be eligible for the temporary PGW policy changes, these students must either have a study permit, have been approved for a study permit, or submitted a study permit application prior to beginning their program and eventually be approved. So earlier it was mandatory that a student who has taken up a course, he needs to finish 50% of the course in Canada and in person. However, there is a change now to it. All students who were enrolled in a PGW eligible program in progress in March 2020 or who started a program of study from spring 2020 up to and including the fall 2021 semester are not required to complete 50% of their programs of study in Canada. Up to 100% of their programs can be completed online from outside Canada. However, there is a catch over here. The length of post-graduation work permit is only until December 31st, 2021. And time spent studying outside of Canada after 31st December 2021 should be deducted from the length of the postgraduate work permit. The time you'll spend outside Canada after December 2021, the same duration will be deducted from your postgraduate work permit period. So guys, these were the two main important updates for today. So if you like my videos, please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.